Have you ever woken up after 8 hours of sleep, feeling like you barely closed your eyes? You drag yourself to the coffee machine, already dreading the afternoon crash. Meanwhile, something curious happens across Japan. People sleep 6 or 7 hours, yet wake up clear-headed and energized. No fancy sleep trackers, no expensive supplements, just quiet habits passed down through generations that work with your body instead of against it. Habit 1. Cool room for brain cooling. Picture this. You're lying in bed, covers pulled up, room warm and cozy. Sounds comfortable, right? But your brain is actually struggling. Japanese households approach bedroom temperature differently, and science backs them up completely. Keeping your bedroom cool helps your body temperature drop by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, which signals your brain that it's time for deep sleep. This isn't just about comfort. Cool air actually slows your heartbeat and lowers stress hormones circulating through your system. Your body interprets the temperature drop as a natural cue to power down. Traditional Japanese sleeping setups enhance this effect beautifully. Tatami mats and breathable bedding keep sleepers cooler throughout the night, preventing those sweaty wake-ups at 3 in the morning. The room becomes a cave for rest rather than a warm cocoon that keeps your nervous system activated. Think about the last time you slept really well. Chances are the room was on the cooler side. Try lowering your thermostat tonight and notice the difference in how quickly you drift off. Habit 2. Firm futon for spinal alignment. Western bedrooms often feature plush mattresses that feel luxurious but create hidden problems. Japanese families have slept on firm futons placed directly on tatami mats for centuries, and the benefits go beyond tradition. A firm sleeping surface keeps your spine in neutral alignment all night. This reduces those tiny movements called micro-awakenings that fragment your rest without you even realizing it. Better alignment also improves breathing and stabilizes your heartbeat, letting your body stay in deeper sleep phases longer. But here's the part that really matters for your mind. Futons fold away each morning. This simple act creates mental separation between sleep and waking life. Your bedroom transforms from a place of rest into a living space. Research supports that medium firm surfaces benefit back health. But the psychological benefit of uncluttering your sleeping area might be equally powerful. When your brain sees a made bed or cleared floor, it stops associating that space with scrolling your phone or watching shows. Sleep becomes sacred again. Have you ever noticed how hotel rooms feel different because they're only for rest? You can create that same feeling at home. Habit 3. Hot bath ritual. This habit might seem counterintuitive after discussing cool rooms, but the science is fascinating. Japanese families practice what's called uro, a hot bath taken about 90 minutes before bed. The water temperature hovers around 40 degrees Celsius, warm enough to raise your core temperature significantly. Here's where the magic happens. After you leave the bath, your body temperature drops rapidly. This sudden cooling triggers your natural sleep response and essentially resets your nervous system. Your muscles relax deeply without any stimulation from screens or conversation. The bath becomes a transition ritual between your busy day and peaceful night. Think of it as a natural sleep switch. I'd love to know in the comments, do you have any nighttime rituals that help you wind down? Sometimes the simplest practices make the biggest difference, and your experience might help someone else discover their perfect routine. Habit 4. Respecting tiredness. Japanese culture offers a completely different perspective that might change how you view your own fatigue. The cultural concept of Inemuri means sleeping while present. You'll see business people napping on trains, students resting between classes, workers taking brief breaks at their desks. Rather than embarrassment, these moments signal something important. This person is recharging to perform better. This contrasts sharply with hustle culture that dominates many Western workplaces. We treat fatigue as something to overcome rather than a natural signal from our bodies asking for balance. When you feel tired, your body is communicating clearly. Ignoring that message creates a debt that compounds over time. The shift starts with your own self-talk. Instead of criticizing yourself for feeling sleepy, try acknowledging it as information. Your body knows what it needs. Respecting tiredness doesn't make you lazy. It makes you wise enough to listen to signals that exist for good reason. Habit 5. 20-minute Inemuri naps. Strategic napping is an art form, and the Japanese have refined it beautifully. The key lies in timing. 20 minutes refreshes your brain without entering deep sleep phases that leave you groggy. NASA studies found that brief naps boost focus and memory by more than 30%. That's a significant improvement from something that takes less time than a coffee break. The trick is treating these naps as simple discipline rather than indulgence. Imagine you're midway through your workday. Concentration fading, reaching for another cup of coffee. Instead, you close your eyes for 20 minutes. You wake up sharper than any caffeine could make you. This practice explains how many Japanese maintain alertness on slightly less nightly sleep. They're not running on empty, they're strategically refueling throughout the day. The nap becomes a tool rather than a sign of failure. What would change in your afternoon if you replaced that third coffee with 20 minutes of rest? What would change if you did that? Habit 6. Minimalist, uncluttered bedroom. Your bedroom environment speaks to your nervous system constantly, even when you're not consciously aware. Japanese sleeping spaces typically feature simple color palettes, minimal furniture, and few distractions. This isn't just an aesthetic preference, it's functional design for rest. When your brain enters a cluttered space, it shifts into stimulation mode. There's novelty everywhere, things to process, decisions to consider. A minimalist bedroom signals something different. It tells your nervous system that nothing here requires attention. You can safely power down. The daily ritual of folding futons reinforces this further. Consistent actions train your brain to recognize bedtime cues, no novelty seeking, no stimulation, just calm repetition that prepares you for sleep. Research confirms that lowering visual stress in your environment reduces overall stress hormones. Consider your own bedroom right now. What does your nervous system see when you walk in? Piles of laundry, work materials, exercise equipment. Each item pulls a tiny bit of attention. Clearing even one corner creates space for your mind to settle. Habit 7. Sobakawa buckwheat pillow. The final habit addresses something most people never consider: their pillow. Traditional Japanese Sobakawa pillows contain buckwheat hulls that mold perfectly to your neck curve, providing support that foam or feathers simply cannot match. Research shows these pillows reduce neck pain by up to 50%. When your neck relaxes completely, your entire nervous system follows. Tension you didn't even know you carried releases, allowing deeper sleep phases to occur naturally. Pair this supportive pillow with the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This pattern sends a powerful safety signal to your body, confirming that you're not in danger and can rest deeply. The combination of physical support and conscious breathing creates conditions where sleep becomes almost inevitable. These 7 habits work together as a system. Tonight, choose just one habit to try. Maybe you lower your room temperature or take a warm bath 90 minutes before bed. Small changes compound into transformation.